Hi guys, in this video we're going to build an air purifier under 1,500 rupees. Because, well, the air around us is becoming very dangerous. And prices of air purifiers are crazy right now. So let's build an affordable air purifier. Alright, so these are all the parts we're going to need. A HEPA filter, a 12-volt fan, and of course some sunboard pieces. Firstly, we will take a bucket. Buy link for all product is in the description. And make 2 holes. Then we will insert the switch and DC socket. Then make a hole for the fan. Cut a small piece of PVC pipe and put electrical tape to make it airtight, then insert it in the sunboard piece. Like this. And make a hole for wires. Take the HEPA filter H13 or H14, don't buy lower than that. Cover its bottom with tape. Put the open end of the filter on the pipe. Now let's make a lid to hold the filter at its place. Now screw 2 L brackets to hold the lid. Connect the ground of the fan to GND of DC socket and VCC of the fan to the switch, and connect VCC of DC socket to the switch. The connection diagram is in the description. Now add some legs to it. So that's it, our affordable air purifier is ready. Now let's test it. Use a 12-volt power adapter to power it. The bottom of the bucket is the air intake, and the top is exhaust. Dirty air will be sucked from bottom, and clean air will be exhausted from top. As you can see, the smoke is sucked from bottom, and the clean air is coming from top. My AQ sensor is not working now. I will upload a testing video with a new AQ tester soon. Every product link is in the description. If you find this video helpful, consider subscribing and liking.